Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera Door and Screen Automatic Sensing 1080p Wirely. The Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera is a great way to keep an eye on your home, whether you're there or not. With its 1080p resolution, you can see who's at your door clearly, even at night. The built-in microphone and speaker let you communicate with visitors from anywhere. And the motion detection feature sends alerts to your phone so you never miss a thing. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera. Pros. 1080p resolution provides clear images and video. Built-in microphone and speaker for two-way communication. Motion detection sends alerts to your phone. Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to set up and use. Affordable price. Cons. Some users have reported connectivity issues. The camera is not weatherproof. The app can be buggy at times. Overall, the Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera is a great option for those looking for a secure and affordable way to keep an eye on their home. It's easy to set up and use. And the 1080p resolution provides clear images and video. If you're looking for a video doorbell that won't break the bank, the Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera. The camera is powered by a rechargeable battery, which lasts for up to 6 months on a single charge. The camera is weatherproof, so you can use it outdoors without worry. The app is available for Android and iOS devices. If you're interested in purchasing the Smart Tuya Video Doorbell Camera, you can find it on Amazon for $59.99.